Hey everyone, good morning. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, the vanilla ice baby of crypto, guys. Hopefully you guys having a good day. Well, probably not. I mean, I woke up this morning and, yesterday I released a video and I said that, everybody in America, make sure that you don't fumble the ball, make sure that you take the markets higher and higher. But what happened, guys, is you guys in America, you fumbled the ball. You fumbled the ball because I woke up this morning and guess what? We got a Debbie Downer. As the crypto crash is back on again, and we're going to talk about that. And also, I'm going to give you some opioid. You guys need a little bit of pampering, so we're going to talk about what to expect, where to expect. Should you be selling? Is that it? Is it Debbie Downer? Are we out of there? Is the crypto crash here to stay? Are we going back down to 37? We're going down to 25K. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about some Dogecoin news as well. But the big elephant in the house is going to be Bitcoin. We need to talk about it, guys, because Bitcoin is bringing down the whole market. It's Debbie Downer. But let's just be serious for a second. You guys just need to calm down and first of all take the emotion out of any of your trading that you're going to do today, and think clearly and think precisely, and actually get a pen, get a piece of paper, and write down exactly, what is your plan? What is your plan right now? What are you planning on doing? Are you planning on selling? Are you planning on buying the dips? Are you planning just hodling and doing nothing? So you need to watch this video to end, because I'm going to tell you what my plan is, and if this plan makes sense to you, then sure, you're welcome to follow my plan. But remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house, guys. The OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this video is for educational purposes. And you can hear that big whoa in the background. I'm very close to the ocean right here, and there's a huge shipping lane just to the left of me here. And we get these big containers going back and forth, and sometimes they have these I guess collision avoidance horns or whatever you call them, and they're pretty loud. I mean, they can rock you out of bed sometimes. So what we've been seeing is we saw that Bitcoin took another tank yesterday, and Ethereum is down. We're going to jump into that, and really what I got to say is this is not uncommon in bull runs to have these corrections. And this whole correction is really because of the China collapse, and in Hong Kong there was another property company that also is collapsing called Scenic Racing, and out of Hong Kong, and they're also a big property developer. So it looks like they're also collapsing as well. So we're seeing a bit of a domino effect in China right now, and so there's going to be a credit crunch. There's some uncertainty. Also, we got Gary Gensler, SEC. Gary in the house is also being a Debbie Downer. He's going after crypto right now. So let's jump into content, guys, without further delay. And guys, don't forget to do me one thing. Don't forget to go back and look at all the other content, guys. The Decide Now from yesterday was really a good video. And do not forget to do me a favor. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this channel. Like, I love you guys. I really do, guys. And I make these videos for you. I mean, it's all about you guys. I want to bring the information to you, and I want to kind of give you a straight up, honest opinion of what's going on. I don't want to be all hyperbole and all that kind of stuff like a lot of other YouTubers out there who just talk nonsense and just to get views. I just tell it like it is. And yeah, right now the markets are not good, guys. The markets are bad. And a lot of newbies, a lot of new investors out there, you guys are probably panicking, particularly if this is your first cycle. And you're probably saying, like, what's going on? Is this the end? We're going down, down, down. So a lot of you are probably tempted. You're looking at your portfolio, and I know that a lot of you are like looking at your phone and you're like hovering. Should I push the sell button? Should I push the sell button? And I'm sure that some of you have even probably sold some of your positions already, either last night Vietnam time, or 8 hours ago. And so just, guys, hold off on that. And remember, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, baby. So let's just jump into it. So we saw that the broader markets, the Dow Jones was down, the S&P was down. So this also didn't help crypto. And we're still talking a lot about there's the horn again. The whole Evergrande collapse, and we also have the Scenic Racing out of Hong Kong. They're also collapsing. So this has really created a lot of negativity, and it scared a lot of people. So right now we can see that the crypto markets have continued to retrace again. on retrace on Tuesday, and on-chain metrics show panic sells galore with price drops since September 6th. Notable price changes include. So these are the price drops since September 6th. So we're seeing a lot of panic selling right now, and Bitcoin is since the 6th has gone down 20%. Ethereum is down 29%. ADA is down 28%. This is since September 6th. XRP is down, and Solana is down, and Link is down. So you can see that right now there's a a lot of the prices are down since September 6th, but this is what it is. These are typical corrections. These are typical retracements, guys, and this happens from time to time in the crypto space. So do not panic, guys. Absolutely do not panic. If we look at the total market cap right now, we're at 1.86 trillion. We're painting some green right now, but yesterday we came down as low yesterday as 174. So we picked up almost 11 trillion, not 11 trillion, but 0.11 trillion in terms of coming backness. So things are picking up here in Asia, but once again, what I'm concerned about is Asia, we tend to turn things green, and recently the North America, you guys have been dropping the ball. So here's a critical line in the sand. We have our 21-day EMA, and we are well below. Bitcoin is well below that, and I did draw this. This could be our projected our projected downtrend if we can't stay above that. So we have about three to 4 days left in this week. And if we can't get above that, that's going to paint a very bearish scenario, guys. So one of the reasons that we're seeing that the markets went down is, of course, because the broader markets were down, right? The China FUD. There's a lot of FUD out there, but one of the other reasons is, once again, we had the leverage longs yesterday, and there was about 416 million and 72 million, so almost 500 million, $500 million worth of leverage long position that got liquidated as well. So that doesn't help. And every time we have these large liquidations, you can see we had a large liquidation here, the markets went down. We had another large liquidation, the markets went down, and once again. So this is really what's fueling it. But from that perspective, you guys just need to zoom out. You really need to zoom out. Let me get my face out of the way here. So you guys really need to zoom out and really take a realistic look of what's going on right now. And you can see this is the let me just take my face out of there altogether. So this is the Bitcoin monthly returns. So as you guys can see, typically for Bitcoin, September is a very bad month. It's absolutely, September is the worst month of them all. Historically, since 2013, historically it's been bad. You can see now we're around 13%, 7%, 13%, 13%. But here's the opioid. It's very typical. It's very typical in this market for September to have a huge downturn. So right now we're down minus about 13%, and we're sitting at 22nd of September. So in 2019, we were also at 13%, and 2014 we're at 19%. But here's the upside. The upside is that October in 2020 we saw 27%. In 2019 we saw 17%. We saw 47% in 2017. We saw 33% in 2015. We saw 60% in 2013. And then the positive news continues. Last year we saw 42% again, 53%, we saw 19%, and we saw 449% in 2013. So you can see that October, November, and December are typically very, very bullish months for Bitcoin. And with that being said, you can still see here that with Plan B, he told us, and he targeted, and he told us that $43,000 is incoming for September, and I believe this is to be true. And if we look at where the Bitcoin price is right now relative to the rest of the market, you can see that Bitcoin right now is exactly where Plan B is saying. Right now we're trading at $42,353. So yeah, we had this huge dumpity dump, but I believe that we're going to see basically a S pattern correction, and we're going to continue going in this direction, you know, we're going to range between here, but it's critical for Bitcoin to stay above the $40,000 range. If we can stay above the $40,000 range, then this is going to stimulate and push Bitcoin to do a S-shaped recovery, in my opinion, and that will take us to where Plan B is suggesting that we're going to be in October, which is 63K. So I think you guys just need to take a chill pill, relax, stop panicking, because I know most of you are panicking and going nuts out there. That I still believe that we're very much on target, guys, based on Plan B's prediction. And this is not some lightweight prediction. This has been going back a long time. So you guys just need to zoom out, look at the way things are, right? And see that September is typically a very bad month. So, you know, 43 is definitely painted, and you guys just, the only thing you guys can do, this is what I'm doing, okay? No, I'm not telling you what to do. What I'm doing is I'm doing absolutely nothing. I am not selling a thing. And I'm going to be buying the dips and looking for some projects that I think are very strong projects. We're going to talk about those again at the end of the video. And I'm going to be talking about those. And I'm going to be buying up more altcoins and more Bitcoin today because this is a great opportunity, guys. Absolutely a great opportunity. So with that being said, just keep an eye. These are Plan B targets. I believe these targets will come to fruition. Stop listening and stop looking at all the FUD. A lot of people are saying that it's over. I don't, in my opinion, in my experience being in this business, you know, 9, 10, 11 years, I don't believe the bull run is over. I believe that these targets are valid and legitimate. And, you know, a lot of people that I know are also saying the same thing. So you guys need to make your own decision about your own cryptocurrency and what you want to do. But what I'm doing is, I will repeat, I'm not selling anything. I'm buying the dips, and that's it. And I'm waiting for life-changing wealth. So I do not panic. Take your emotion out of there. All right, guys? So that's what I've got to say about that. So some more evidence to show that things are looking good. This is the Bitcoin stock-to-flow deflection model. And you can see, let me get my face out. My face is always on the way. So you can see that every time that we have a huge deflection here, we have a huge upside for Bitcoin. So we saw that in 2017. So we had a huge deflection here. We had a huge upside. So if we look at the Bitcoin stock-to-flow deflection model here, we can see that we have a huge downside. So here again, huge deflection, bump, deflection, bump, deflection, bump. So you can see that we are primed and ready. We are primed and ready to have, based on this stock-to-flow deflection model, that we have a huge deflection here. And it shows that we're primed to pump and go higher. So that's another reason why I think that this stock-to-flow model is valid, guys. So with that being said, here's some good news. AMC CEO is now considering adding payments, adding Dogecoin payments. And remember, I told you in previous videos that AMC would accept Dogecoin, and that the marketing department is going to create a whole marketing thing about it, and la la la. So this is really good news. So there was you know, Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC, put out a Twitter poll, and 79,000 people responded. Yes, they definitely want to have Dogecoin as payment for AMC movie tickets and, you know, most expensive hot dogs in the world. So as I told you guys in previous videos, my insider source says that the first press release for Bitcoin, Litecoin, blah blah blah, that was just a preamble. And, you know, by saying no to Dogecoin, or not saying no, but just not including it, it created, you know, a marketing opportunity, marketing spin. So they're going to be capitalizing on this marketing opportunity, and they're going to be doing this whole marketing thing about Dogecoin and AMC soon. So that should be coming out pretty soon. So that's pretty bullish, guys. What do you guys think? It's pretty bullish. Some other news, you guys, Bitcoin slides 6% as Ethereum sinks below 3,000, hit near 2-month low. So we all know that everything is looking pretty miserable. Things are looking pretty nasty right now. But you guys, once again, don't panic, okay? You know, Ethereum went as low as 2,700. Bitcoin went down as low as 40,835, but we stayed above the 40,000. So there's really some huge support there. And we saw, altcoin Solana went down. It's trading about 122. We're jumping that. It's down 13% on the day and 35% from its all-time highs of 189. And also Cardano also slipped below $2 as well. So Some other news is happening. Over 1 billion in crypto futures liquidated amid evergreen concerns. We all know about that. You know, I don't want to talk about evergreen from infinitum, right? It's just really kind of boring. So, but you know, we have Mike Novogratz, who's a huge Bitcoin maximalist, and he's saying that, you know, Bitcoin if Bitcoin stays above 40,000, everything is looking pretty peachy keen, and that, you know, Bitcoin will bounce back. And as I told you guys, we had the stock to flow model that predicts $63,000 incoming for Bitcoin. So what are you worrying about, guys? Stop panicking. Stop being weak Nancy's out there, guys. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin right now. So right now, Dogecoin is actually not faring too bad, in my opinion, considering the massive drops. You know, it's sorry about that. Sorry about that. So, you know, Dogecoin is not faring too bad considering, you know, it's only down 0.09%, even though we had a 6-7% drop in Bitcoin. So it looks like Dogecoin is fighting back. And I tell you, Dogecoin can do the weirdest thing. Sometimes it just comes back out of nowhere, and it's really amazing. So we're seeing right now, Doge is, you know, Doge is coming back, and it's up right now. It's at 0.2068 right now. And that's looking pretty bullish and pretty peachy keen right now. And you know, we've seen that right now Doge is up almost 3% on the 4-hour chart on that wick. So that's pretty positive, guys. So don't panic. Now my Bitcoin right now is also coming back. Right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is up 3.13%, and that's at 40, and we're trading at $42,323. So it looks like, even though we had this bit of a you know, 6% correction, and we went as low as 39,865. We have definitely bounced back. So once again, this whole correction, this whole China meltdown thing is not because of fundamentals of cryptocurrency. It's the, you know, the development on the blockchain, the smart contracts, all of that stuff is still very much unchanged. Stuff is still moving ahead positively, and it's nothing to worry about. This is just a fiat market issue, a Fed issue, but this is not a cryptocurrency issue. That's why we're seeing a very strong bounce back today with Bitcoin. Some other stuff to look at. You know, you can see here, if we look at the way BTC is behaving, you know, this is you know, the price action from 2020 May to where the price went from 19K to 65K and then crashed to 30 to 53% correction. So we're seeing a very similar pattern happening here, and we can see here that the current price action 21st July to 21st September, if this was to play out the same way as the blue price action, then we could see a correction to 36K. The current price action looks very similar. So yeah, we could go down to 36K. That's possible. But once again, as I told you guys time and time again, September is often very bullish. So if we go down to 36K, it's okay, because we're definitely going to be bouncing back, and I believe that we're going to be closing this month at $43,000, exactly like, you know, exactly like Plan B as predicted. And we have the stock to flow deflection model that's saying the same things. So guys, stop panicking, stop wetting the bed, stop being weak Nazis out there, guys. This is just a little bit of a correction, and the bull run is absolutely not over, guys. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Let me just refresh it. Minty refresh in the house. It's a glorious day out here. It's actually pretty chilly, Willie. So right now, people are in extreme fear. People are running for the hills. People are diving under the cover. People are hiding behind their pillows. So you always want to do the opposite of what the market is doing. So here, people are in fear. A lot of people are panic selling. Do exactly the opposite. Go buy the dips now. This is a really good time to load up. I'm going to be loading up today. Once the banks open, I'm going to be transferring some dollar. I'm going to load it up, guys. So it's a really good time to be alive. So don't panic, guys. Stop panicking. Let's take a look at the Ethereum price in the house right now. Let me get my let me just adjust that chart for you so you can see it. Okay, let's get this chart here. Okay, so the Ethereum price in the house. So right now we see that Ethereum is trading at 2,865. And I did tell everyone that we would be closing the month at 2,800. I did tell everyone that we'd be closing the Bitcoin at 4,300. So it looks like it's playing out exactly as I predicted. So right now we can see that we went down as low as 2,700, but 2,700 is a major support line before Ethereum. So we bounced back up that. Now some people are saying that this is a huge head and shoulder. Here's the shoulder, here's the head, and here's the other shoulder. Yeah, I can see that. The head and shoulder pattern is often a very bearish pattern, and this is the neckline. So if we break down below the neckline, which we did, then it could signal a very bearish scenario. And we're kind of seeing that. We're seeing a bit of a bearish scenario playing out, but I really believe that there's a confluence of market conditions, the China meltdown, the Fed removing its stimulus package. We also got Gary Gensler, the infrastructure bill. So I think all of these confluences at the same time has created this cascading, this kind of waterfall behavior. And yeah, sure, this is a head and shoulder pattern. I agree, but it's not because the fundamentals of Ethereum and smart contracts are wrong. It's just because Bitcoin is going down. Why is Bitcoin going down? Is because the broader markets, the S&P, the S&P 500, the markets are scared because of China meltdown. So we just have to wait for this to wash out, and I think by the end of September, it's going to wash out. We got 9 days, right? 8-9 days left, depending on your time zone, and I think things will start to recover, and we should see a nice, I believe we're going to see a nice S-shaped recovery, and we should be seeing ourselves getting back up to $4,000 soon. I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, then the worst case scenario is you're going to have to hold to 2025 when we have the next halving, guys. So take it easy. Take it easy. Take it any way you can get it. So Cardano, again, it slipped below my $2 support line here. So this is $2. Now it's gone back up. And when I woke up this morning, Cardano was below there. So we're above that now. So it looks like everything is correcting and steaming back very fast. So just keep an eye on things. I think Cardano will be range bound, and we'll be back up to $2.50, 55 cents very shortly, guys. So don't panic. Don't panic. So hopefully you guys are feeling a little bit better. Solana in the house. It's well below my line in the sand, and it's trading at $131.41, guys. So this is not the time to panic. We're still trading inside this descending triangle. Worst case scenarios, we could see ourselves going all the way down as 108 and then bouncing off that support. Don't panic, guys. Do not panic. Absolutely do not panic. If you look at Avalanche in the house, Avalanche is also coming back. It's back up to $63 right now. So it's also looking pretty good. So Avalanche has made almost a S-type recovery. So it's looking pretty strong and pretty healthy right now. So let's look at the broader markets right now. So you can see that the total market cap right now is 1.89 trillion, and our overall volume right now is 109 billion, and our Bitcoin dominance is increasing because more people are selling off the alts and moving them into Bitcoin. So this is typically what they do when the altcoins dump. They take their profits because, for example, my Solana, even though after all this dumpage, the Solana I'm holding, I'm still up like 365% now. So a lot of people are saying, okay, I'm going to move it to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is cheap right now. So those are the kind of moves you can make. You could sell something off that's in profit and move it to Bitcoin. That's also an option. You could take more fiat currency, convert it to USTD. That's what I'm doing, and then you can buy the altcoins or Bitcoin because it's cheap. Or you can do absolutely nothing, because a lot of people, they don't keep any stable coin on the sidelines to buy the dips. And I understand it's frustrating when you see everything on sale, but you're not able to buy the dips, guys. So with that being said, let's just take a look at the markets right now. So guys, cheer up. I know you guys are not very happy right now, but cheer up. But you can see Bitcoin is steaming back. It's at 42,300, and it went as low as as 39,850. When we had the spike all the way down. So it's come back up, guys. And remember, a lot of that spike was caused by Bitcoin leverage longs being liquidated and hitting the max pain. And you don't think that the max pain price was not initiated and forced by the crypto exchanges, guys? So remember, there is manipulation going on. Always keep an eye on that. But overall, the trend is still going up, guys. Don't panic. So the only thing you need to watch for is we need to get above the 21-day EMA for Bitcoin on the weekly. Keep an eye on that. So right now, Ethereum is down 3.81%, and that's at 2,872, so 2,872. And Cardano is now above the $2, is down 3%, and it's at $2.06. BNB is at $352, and that's at 2.71%. And Solana in the house is $131, that's down 6.5%. DOT is down 5.2%, that's at $27.40. So, you know, if you look at the Doge and you compare it to the rest of the markets, Doge is doing pretty good. It's only down 1.14%, and that's at 0.207. So it's looking pretty healthy. It's looking like it is coming back. It is bouncing back. So don't panic. You know, the other good news is that if we look at Avalanche right now, Avalanche is just beating the odds, and it's up, guys. So if you guys got into Avalanche when I told you guys to, you still be making bank. So Avalanche is on fire right now. So let's talk about some projects that I think we should be looking at. All right. Bitcoin, yeah, this is a good time to get into Bitcoin. It's down 10% in the 7 days. It's down 15%. So definitely, Ethereum. Why not? It's a good pickup right now. ADA, yes, good pickup. Solana, yeah, you could jump into Solana right now. I don't believe that it's going to go, you know, it could go down to 108, but I think it's still a good time to pick it up. I think Solana will close at 500. It's not financial advice. Doge, pick up the Doge. Buy it on the dip, guys. Avalanche, no. Luna, yes, pick up Luna. You know, it's on sale. It's 26% off right now. And these will pump. In October, we're going to see a lot of pumpage, guys. Algorand, definitely a pickup. Atom, definitely a pickup. Matic, a huge pickup. FTT, you guys got to pick up some FTT. Pick up some FTT while you still can, guys. VET, definitely pick up some VET. So, guys, I just want to say to you guys, stop panicking out there. Relax. Take it easy. It's not the end of the world. Things will come up. Keep in mind that September is always bad, guys. And October, November, December, we're going to see a lot of pumpage, guys. So please follow me on my Twitter, guys. I'm asking you kindly. Follow me on my Twitter. And don't forget to tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content like I love you guys. Smash the likes right now. Smash the likes. And don't forget to subscribe. And go to my video description. Check out all the links. You know, I'm trying not to be crazy and too energetic, because I know you guys are not feeling the good vibe right now with the whole crypto crash. So become Patreon members. Go to buy the channel a coffee. Please buy the channel a coffee and support the charity. You know, we're all the merch, all the Patrons, all the coffees, and all that stuff. It all goes to charity. It goes to the orphanages here in Vietnam, and helps feed the homeless, guys. So, you know, give us some support. The OG is still in lockdown. I'm still in lockdown since July 14th. So show some support, guys. Do it now. And don't forget to go to Zen Music Addict. Remember, yesterday, call to action. I need you guys to support the wife's channel. I need this to get up to 600 subscribers. So we're danger close to getting 600 subscribers. So support the channel, guys. Please go and do that. Go to Zen Music Addict right now. Zen Music Addict. Check it out. Love the channel. Support the channel. Subscribe, EYB, right there, right now. Please do it. Help the OG out. And guys, go check out my merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got polo shirts in the house, guys. Get it while you can. And don't forget to get the Muggy Mug. The Muggy Mug is filled with happiness. Get the mug and fill your life with happiness and joy with the OG Muggy Mug in the house. So, guys, I just want to say, God bless you, guys. Stop panicking. Stop looking at your portfolio. You've got 3 options, guys. Option 1 is do absolutely nothing. Option 2, buy the dips. Option 3, any of your altcoins that are pumping with a whole bunch of profit, you can sell a little bit, 20-30%, and you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, or other projects that we talked about. So those are the kind of options. These are the kind of things that I'm doing. Remember, this is not financial advice. I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you out there. I mean that, guys. Please relax. Don't trade on emotion. Be calm. Step back. And the bull run is not over, in my opinion. And God bless all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! I'll see you in the next one, guys. Be good. Be blessed. Be well. Yeah, let's get it.